Hi guys, and in this video I'm going to be showing you my new USB cable from Muslish. So the one I got was the 1 meter 3-foot fast charging cable. The reason why I received this one and decided to choose this one is because it's got a lot of ratings on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description where I got it from. Also, I like the fact that it's got this L bend. So normally the cables that we mostly use for our iPhones or whatever we use, it's normally comes straight in from here, but it's got this nice little L bend. Also, the cable's got this rubbery texture to it, which for me just makes it feel like it's made a lot better and it's a lot thicker than the original cables, because the original cables around here and obviously around here, they tend to get quite bent, but obviously with the material it's got here, it said it's got a bend lifespan of 10,000 bends. So if you could do that, I've just used 3 of my lifespan. It also comes with this strap here, which allows it to be tied away quite nicely. What I like about it as well is that the material on it means that it doesn't get tangled up. So with this rubbery material, I could scrunch it up like this, roll it up like this. As soon as I get it out of my bag and I pull it, it comes straight apart with no tangles or anything like that. Also, it comes with 18-month warranty. So all you need to do is go back to Amazon, let them know when you bought it. I think that's about it, and then on the website it'll tell you what to do, and you can register and you've got 18 months warranty. So if anything goes wrong that hasn't been done by yourself and it's more the cable's not working or there's a poor connection, send it back to them or send a picture of it to them that it's broken and they'll sort you out. And that is it guys, thanks for watching, I'll see you soon.